Perot Technologies is pleased to introduce their Push Twin Wire Arc Spray System. Very light in weight, a handy arc spray gun of 1.3 kilograms makes manual spray coating much more comfortable. Axial orientation of all cables and hoses helps the operator hold the spray gun in an easy and comfortable manner. With this comfort and light weight, the operator can spray for a longer period of time. Uniform wire feeding is controlled from the wire feeder unit, and the speed of the wire feeding can be regulated easily from the regulator on the feeder unit. Wire feeding wheels follow the coating applicator on a flat surface. Perot Technologies named this model the PT Arc 18, available with 400 and 600 amp power sources. Perot Technologies is active in manufacturing thermal spray products like arc spray, flame spray, and HVOF, bound by a policy of constant development and taking the utmost care in customer satisfaction. Perot Technologies has customer bases worldwide, including countries such as the United States of America, Germany, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, Belgium, Turkey, Poland, the United Arab Emirates, Brazil, Mexico, Chile, Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, and many more.